cheap Chinese knife. But it works, and it's my first one, so I got this yesterday from my dad. And seeing as how I've never touched one of these before, I think I'm alright at it. But go ahead and make fun of me all you want. I will appreciate criticism. Obviously a China-made knife. Camera doesn't want to focus on anything. I can do basic open. Well, I messed it up that time. And I messed it up that time. I'm not spectacular at this. Which I guess is to be expected since I got this yesterday. The latch is not good. If I try to latch it when it's open, half the time it doesn't stay latched. Did that time though. Good example. I think it's got an alright sound to it. I had to take the screwdriver and tighten it. You can see I've dropped it a lot. But I had to tighten it because dropping it resulted in the screws coming loose.